Good afternoon, class.
Today
we're going to learn about symmetry. Okay? So who can tell me what we learned about last time?
Trapezoid.
What did we learn about last time?
Squares. Figures.
Figures, right? What kind of figures?
Squares, circle, triangle, rectangle.
Can you show me a figure? Can you draw a figure? Okay, what kind of figure is that?
Circle.
That's a circle, right? Okay. What kind of figure are you drawing, Denton? What does that look like?
Trapezoid.
A trapezoid. That is a trapezoid, right? Okay, so what figure is this?
I don't know.
Let's count the sides. So it's going to be 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
So what figure has has 5 sides? Do you remember? Start with the P.
Pentagon? No.
This is a pentagon. Okay? So erase your drawings. Okay? So now we're going to learn about symmetry. Okay? So, symmetry, what is symmetry? Do you know what symmetry is? Do you know what symmetry is?
Something that's cut in half.
Okay. And when it's cut in half, what does it make? So, this is
A square.
a square, right? If I cut this in half, what happens?
It turns into a rectangle.
Well, it turns into a rectangle, but what happens to the sides? Are they similar?
Yeah.
Are they similar? If I fold this, is this side similar to this side?
Yeah. No. Yes.
Yes, right? Right? So let me fold this in half. Let me fold this in half. Okay? What kind of figure do I call this one?
Rectangle.
Yeah, but what kind of figure is this? Remember? It's it has 2 dimensions.
Plane.
It's plain, it's flat. And what else? What kind of figure is it called?
Square.
It's a square, but what kind of figure does a square fall in? No. It's a 2-dimensional figure. Why?
Because it has 2.
Let me pull out my other 2-dimensional figure. Is this a 2-dimensional figure?
No.
Why?
Because it doesn't have sides.
It doesn't have sides? But
And it's not.
it's not what? Is this a 2-dimensional figure?
No.
Is that a 2-dimensional figure? Yeah.
Oh.
This one's not a 2-dimensional figure because it has
more.
Wait.
Bounce.
It bounces. It has volume. You see how it has volume and this one doesn't? This one's flat and not thick compared to this one, right? Like this one. Can you compare this with this? Be the 3-dimensional figure for this? Look. this square right here, you see how this one is a three-dimensional because it's in 3D, right? And this one's in 2D. Okay? So, symmetry. We're going to learn about symmetry. Okay? So, it's whenever two shapes are the same. Whenever you fold or cut. Okay? On either side. Okay? So, tell me. I am going to draw this figure. Okay?
Square.
Does this have a line of symmetry?
Yeah.
Yeah? How can I cut it? So they can be the same.
Half.
Here, right? How can I use a color? Okay, here, right? What else? Which way can I cut it in order for it to be the same? Vertical?
Yeah.
Where else? The corners?
The corners.
Can I cut it this way? If I fold it this way, would it be the same?
No.
It is, right?
Okay.
It is kind of the same. My square's a little bit messy, I'm sorry. But you see how this is the same? So, this one is the same. So how many lines does it have? Let's count them. 1, 2,
3, 4, 7.
4. 4. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Right? Okay. So now, let's look at another. Let's look at the pencil line again. Oh, sorry, it didn't come out so good. But does it have a line symmetry?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes? Where? Can you draw it? You can draw it with that one. Yeah?
It doesn't have without.
Okay, through the middle. If this pentagon would have been drawn right, then if we fold it, then you can see it, right? So say we fold it this way, right? It'll be kind of the same, right? Yeah? Okay.
Yes.
How about this way? How about this way? If you fold it this way, would it be the same?
No. Yes.
If it wasn't
No.
drawn right? Let me try it again. My pencil line is not that good, I'm sorry. I apologize. That's longer. We were artistically challenged. I'm sorry. Bear with me. Somewhere on it, right? So if I fold it this way, it'll be kind of the same, right? Kind of, right? Okay. Yeah. So draw the line again, please. Through the middle. There you go. Okay, how about if I fold it? If I also fold it this way?
Yes.
Isn't it the same, right?
Sure.
Right? Okay. So we can see that the pentagon has lines of symmetry. What about this one?
Circle. Yes.
Will this one be a line of symmetry?
No.
No, why not?
Because it doesn't have the same. It is not it doesn't have the same
Like measures? Like if I
Yeah.
fold it, then it wouldn't be the same size?
Mhm.
Yeah? So where would the line supposed to be? Through the middle, right?
Mhm.
How about this way? Can it be that way? That way? That way? What does that remind you of?
a pie.
A pie or what else? What if I have this? Can I borrow you? Can I borrow?
Pizza.
What is that?
Pizza.
Pizza, right?
Pizza pie.
So you see lines of symmetry, right?
Yeah.
Whenever they cut a pizza, right? Yeah? Okay, so now our activity, you're going to create a snowman. Okay? So the snowman is going to be using these figures. Okay, so what I want you to do is to get the figures, and I'm going to cut this in half, okay? I want you to put these figures here, and with a piece of yarn, you are going to place a line of symmetry in each figure, okay? So we can see how many lines of symmetry they have, okay?
How do you cut them out?
Okay. Well, you can use these markers. Each one has the same amount of figures, okay? So what I need you to do is this. Look at me. You're going to decorate your snowman, okay? So you're going to tell me, I'm going to cut a piece of this, right? So I want you to do this. You see that? Is that a line of symmetry?
No.
Yes? How about this way? No?